Hello dear students, myself Miss Vaishali Dekate. I am teaching you maths in standard 8. Today we are going to study chapter number 8, quadrilateral constructions and types. Practice set 8.1. But before that, subscribe my channel by pressing subscribe at right side to get my recent videos and videos from previous lessons also. Hello children. In my previous video, I had explained you lesson number 8, quadrilateral and construction type. In this lesson, we have seen the meaning of quadrilateral. Then we have seen 4 different constructions of quadrilateral where 5 elements are given to us and we can construct a quadrilateral. First one is to construct a quadrilateral if lengths of 4 sides and a diagonal is given, 4 sides and a diagonal, so 5 elements. Then second type of construction we have seen to construct a quadrilateral if 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given, 3 sides and 2 diagonals, again 5 elements. Third one is to construct a quadrilateral if 2 adjacent sides and any 3 angles are given, 2 adjacent sides and any 3 angles, again 5 elements are there. And then fourth construction we have seen to construct a quadrilateral if 3 sides and 2 angles included by them are given. So based on all these 4 constructions, we have to solve practice set 8.1. We have to construct the quadrilaterals. So first question is construct the following quadrilaterals of given measures. First one, in quadrilateral MORE. We have to construct quadrilateral MORE. So let us see. I have written the question on my page and we are going to construct this quadrilateral MORE where length MO is 5.8 and OR is 4.4. So 2 lengths, that means 2 sides are given to us. Lengths of 2 sides are given to us and 3 angles as you all can see. Major angle M is 58, major angle O is 105 and major angle R is 90 degree. So 2 sides where you can see O is the common vertex, common point. MO, here also O is there. OR, here also O is there. So O is the common vertex. That means these 2 are the adjacent sides. So 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are given to us. We are going to draw a quadrilateral. So for drawing any diagram in maths, we have to first draw a rough sketch. Always start with the rough sketch. See children, I am using my pen to draw a rough sketch or draw fair sketch also, because all the diagram should be visible to you all clearly. You all can see it clearly. If I draw with pencil, you all cannot see it clearly. That's why I am using my pen. But you all should use pencil. You should not use pen. Okay. Always draw geometrical diagrams or any type of diagrams with pencil. You should not draw with pen. So let us draw a rough diagram, rough sketch. So just using my hand and pen, I will not use anything, any geometrical instrument I am not going to use for drawing rough sketch. So MO is 5.8. So I am drawing MO 5.8. We don't require any exact measurement for rough sketch. It should not be exact. We can take anything. So MO 5.8. Then angle M is 58. That means it is acute angle. It is not obtuse. It is less than 90. So 2 sides come close to each other. This is 58 degree. Then O is 105. So it is bigger than 90 degree. It is obtuse angle. This is 105 degree. Then what is given to us? OR is 4.4. From O to R, I can take R here. It is 4.4 centimeter. And from R is 90 degree. Angle R is 90 degree. From R we can draw a ray which is of 90 degree. And this point is, last point is E, MORE. In this way you can draw a rough sketch first, and from rough sketch we have to draw a fair diagram. Draw the fair diagram now. So for fair diagram we will be using all our geometric instrument whichever required here. So let us draw a fair diagram. So first we are going to draw this base side MO, which is 5.8 from 0 till 5.8. After 5, 8 lines. See 8 line properly. 5, 6, 7, 8 here. So from 0 to 5.8 I have drawn a segment. This is a segment because both the side points are there. So this is known as segment. MO is a segment of 5.8 centimeter length. Okay. Now after that we are going to draw this point. From point O we are going to draw our angle O of 105 degree. So for that we have to take our protractor. Place the protractor on O. See that this line, base line of protractor should coincide with our segment MO. Place it on O. Now see our segment is on the left hand side, so we have to start from the 0 of left hand side. Okay, we should not start from the 0 of right hand side. This 0 we should not start with. We have to start with this 0 because our segment is on the left hand side. So place it properly on point O. Start from 0. It is 105 degree. So 0, 10, 20 like that. 100 comes here. Between 100 and 110, 105 is there. So here 105 comes. This point should not be very dark. This is only helpful to draw our ray. I am going to draw a ray of 105 degree here. This is a ray of 105 degree. Okay. Now we have to fix the position of this point R. We have to fix the point R. Point R is 4.4 centimeter from point O. OR is 4.4. So I am going to take 4.4 centimeter distance in my compass. 0 to 4.4. After 4, fourth line. I have put a point at 0 and then 4.4. And then I will take this much distance in my compass. Or rounder, you can say anything. This is my compass. Now I place this pointer on point O and then I will draw an arc on this ray. This arc is to fix the position of point R. In this way we have fixed point R here. Make this point dark, and this is 4.4 centimeter. Now we are going to draw a ray of 58 degree from point M. So we have to place our protractor on point M. Now our segment is on the right hand side. Segment is not on the left hand side. From M it is on the right hand side. So we start counting from the 0 of right hand side, from this 0. Okay, we are not start counting from this 0 now. This is wrong. We have to start from this 0. And how much we have to take the measurement? 58. So see 0, 10, 20, 30, 50. After 58th line, see 8th line here. After 50, this is 8th line, it will be 58. Now, I am going to draw an arc. Sorry, not arc. I am going to draw a ray here. This is 58 degree ray. Now, we have to fix the position of point E. R is 90 degree. So from R we are going to draw a ray of 90 degree. Place this protractor on point R properly. See that this line, base line of protractor and this RO should coincide with each other. They should be on each other. Okay. Now see, my RO is in downward direction. So I start counting from downward 0. I am not going to start from the upward 0. It is wrong. I will have to count from the downward 0. So downward 0 I will have to count, and see that it should be placed properly. And at 90 I am going to make a mark, put a point. Now draw a ray from point R. This way we can draw a ray, and this is our point E. So in this way MORE we can draw a quadrilateral where 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are given. Now see the second question. Construct quadrilateral DEFG such that DE 4.5, EF 6.5, length DG 5.5, length DF 7.2, length EG 7.8. That means all lengths are given. We cannot see any angle over there. So we have given all lengths. So let us see which lengths are given. We can get the idea by drawing rough sketch only. If you draw the rough sketch, your fair diagram will be exact, will be no mistake. Okay, so as to get the precise diagram, we have to always draw a rough sketch first. So let us start with the rough sketch. So DE, I am going to draw DE 4.5 centimeter. Okay, DEFG. I will be drawing full quadrilateral like this. I am drawing this DEFG. Okay. Now see DE 4.5, EF is 6.5, EF 6.5 centimeter. Then DG is 5.5, DG this side is 5.5 centimeter. Then DF, where is DF? DF is not the side of quadrilateral, it is a diagonal. Can you see DF is a diagonal? So we have to draw a diagonal now. DF is diagonal, it is 7.2 centimeter. And EG is also diagonal. Can you see EG is also diagonal, which is 7.8. So this is EG, which is 7.8 centimeter. So in this way we have given 3 sides, 1, 2 and 3 sides and 2 diagonals. 5 elements are given to us. We have to draw fair sketch now, or fair diagram you can write. Okay, so let us start from base side DE. DE is 4.5. So I will first put a point at 0, then at 4.5. And I am going to draw a segment DE, which is 4.5 centimeter. Then what is there? We can fix the position of point F now. How? F is at 6.5 centimeter from E. EF is 6.5 means F is at 6.5 from E, and it is 7.2 centimeter from D. F is at 7.2 centimeter from D and 6.5 from E. So first take the distance of 6.5 centimeter in your compass. This is rounder. Okay, you can say it rounder or compass. So it is 6.5. So I am going to put a point at 0 and then 6.5. So this is 6.5 centimeter distance in my compass. It is from E, it is 6.5. So I put pointer on E and I will draw an arc like this. Okay, then I have to take 7.2 centimeter distance in my compass. So I am going to take 7.2, 0 and then 7.2 here. So I am going to take this much distance in my compass, 7.2, and it is at 7.2 from point D. So from point D I am going to draw another arc which touches the previous one, and in this way we can fix the position of point F. We have fixed the point F. As the previous arc is big one, you can just rub it out, the extra part. See, I am rubbing this extra part. Okay, and now you can join this F with E. EF is 6.5 centimeter. Join this F with D also. DF is a diagonal. This is 7.2 centimeter. Now we have to fix the position of G. Now see children, G is at 5.5 centimeter from D. DG is 5.5. So G is at 5.5 centimeter and from E it is 7.8, correct? From E, G is at 7.8 centimeter distance. So we are going to draw two arcs. From D it is 5.5, so I'll take the 5.5 centimeter distance in my compass. 0 to 5.5. Take the distance in my compass. Okay, from D it is 5.5. I will draw a big arc, and from E it is 7.8. So again I am going to take the distance of 7.8. 0 to 7.8 after 7 8th line. Okay, so it is 7.8, and from E it is 7.8, so I am going to draw another arc. So in this way we can fix point G here. You can rub out the extra part of arcs. Okay, and now join this G with D. This G with E. DG is 5.5 centimeter. G is 7.8. I'm going to write here 7.8 centimeter. And then you can join this GF also to get our fair diagram of quadrilateral DEFG. So in this way we can draw fair diagram by using exact measurements. Third question. In quadrilateral ABCD, length AB 6.4, length BC 4.8. Two length sides are given and three angles are given. That means as you all can see in this two length, point B is common point. That means two adjacent sides are given, lengths of two adjacent sides and three angles. That means this is same as that of first question. So let us draw the diagram first. AB, we are going to draw base side AB, which is 6.4 centimeter. Then A is 70, so that means it is an acute angle less than 90. So this is 70 degree. B is 50, so it is also acute angle. This is 50 degree. And then BC is 4.8. So here it will be BC 4.8, and from C we have to draw a ray of 140 degree. So from C we will be drawing a ray. This is 140 degree ray, and then A, B, C, D. This will be point D. In this way we have got our rough sketch. Now we will try to draw fair sketch with exact measurement. Okay, now first we will be drawing our base side, which is AB 6.4. Zero to 6.4. So AB is 6.4 centimeter. Now we have to fix the position of point C. For that first we will be drawing the ray of 50 degree. So we have to put our protractor, place the protractor on point B properly. Now our side is on left hand side, so we start from the 0 of left hand side, place the protractor on point B and start from 0 of left hand side. It is at 50 degree. So 50 degree ray we are going to draw. Okay, this is 50 degree. Now we will fix the position of point C at 4.8 from B. So from B I am going to draw an arc at 4.8 centimeter. So take the distance in compass. 0 to 4.8 after 8th line. So this is 4.8. So from B I am going to draw an arc to get point C here. This is an arc, and here we can make this point little dark. This is point C, which is 4.8 centimeter from B. Now we are going to draw a ray at 70 degree from point A. So now place the protractor on point A. As our line is on the right hand side, our segment is on the right hand side, we start from the 0 of right hand side. It is at 0, 10, 20 and 70 comes here. This is 70. Okay. So till 70. I have to draw a ray. And then we have to fix this point D here. So how to fix point D? As C is 140 degree, from C we draw a ray of 140 degree. We place our protractor on point C. See that this side of protractor, this line of protractor and then BC coincide with each other. Our BC is on the downward direction. So we start from the 0 of downward direction. We count from the 0 of downward direction. Place the protractor properly. See that this both the lines should come on each other. Now start from the 0 of downward direction. 0, 10, 20, 30. See that protractor should not move. Okay. It should not be shaky. Now see 140 comes here. Here it is 140. So now I am going to draw a ray from point C. And this is 140 degree. And this is our point D. In this way, we can get fair diagram of quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Last question of this practice set. Construct quadrilateral LMNO such that length LM is equal to length LO is equal to 6. That means LM is also 6 and LO is also 6. Length ON is equal to length NM is equal to 4.5. That means ON is also 4.5 and NM is also 4.5 and OM is 7.5. So let us start by drawing our rough sketch. LMNO, I am going to draw any quadrilateral we can draw. L, M, N, O. LM and LO 6. So LM is also 6. LO is also 6. ON and NM. ON is 4.5 and NM is also 4.5. And now what is given? OM is 7.5. Where is OM? OM is this diagonal. So we are going to draw this diagonal OM. Okay. So OM is 7.5 centimeter. Now let us start drawing fair diagram. This diagram, fair diagram can be drawn by two different methods. I will be showing you both the methods. So first I am going to draw this base line which is 6 centimeter. Base side is 6. So this is 6 centimeter. LM. Now we can fix this point O because O is at 6 centimeter from L and from M it is 7.5. We cannot first fix point N. We have to first fix this position of point O. Okay, so first we have to fix point O. O is 6 centimeter. So this is 6 centimeter distance. So I am going to take 6 centimeter from here only. Okay, this is 6 centimeter I am taking from this LM. So O is 6 centimeter from L. So from L I am going to draw a arc. Okay. Now it is 7.5 from M. So I will be taking distance of 7.5. 0 to 7.5. And from M I am going to draw another arc. Okay. And in this way we have got point O here. We have fixed the position of point O. Extra part of our arcs we can rub. Okay, if you want you can rub or you can keep as it is. So draw this, join this OL. This is 6 centimeter. This is 7.5 centimeter. Now we have to fix the position of point N. N is at 4.5 from O and it is at 4.5 from M also. So let us take the 4.5 distance in our compass, 0 to 4.5. Okay, so here this is 4.5. From M also it is 4.5, and from O also 4.5. So we don't need to change the distance in our compass. Draw 4.5 here, and we can get point N here. So this is 4.5 and this is also 4.5. 4.5 centimeter, 4.5 centimeter. So all four sides and one diagonal is given. So when you can see such a type of rough sketch, we can draw this diagram by second method also. We can first draw the diagonal and afterwards we can draw the sides. So I am going to show you that second method of drawing fair diagram also. This is the first method which I have shown you. Now see the second method. Second method, what I told you, in second method we have to first draw this diagonal. So diagonal OM is 7.5. So I am going to draw this diagonal first like this, which is 7.5. 7.5 diagonal OM. 7.5 centimeter. Now point L is, see here, point L is at 6 centimeter from O also and 6 centimeter from M also. Correct? ML is also 6 and OL is also 6. So from O also I am going to draw 6 centimeter and from M also. So let us take 6 centimeter distance in the compass. Centimeter distance in the compass from 6 to 0. Okay, from M also either you can draw upward direction or downward. As downward direction I am having the space, so I will draw at downward direction. From M also I am going to draw an arc. Let me adjust my page properly. From M also I have drawn this arc. And from O also I am going to draw the other arc, and then rub out extra part. This is 6 centimeter distance, point L. So from M also it is 6 centimeter and from O also it is 6 centimeter. So this is 6 centimeter. Okay. Now next point we have to fix the position of point N, which is 4.5 from O also and from M also. So I will be taking the distance of 4.5. Let us take 4.5 centimeter distance. See here I have taken 4.5 and now I am going to draw an arc from O also, from M also at 4.5. This way you can draw an arc. And this way we can fix the position of point N, and this is 4.5 centimeter. This is 4.5 centimeter. This is also 4.5 centimeter. So in this way both the ways are correct. You can draw any one way. I am going to make this page like turn over. And you can see both the diagrams. They are two different methods for drawing when one diagonal and four sides are given. So in this way practice set 8.1 is over. You can draw all the diagrams. You can construct all the diagrams.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.